This is a 2009 Acura TL. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, a sunroof, heated seats, a low tire pressure indicator, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, a pass-through rear seat, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, performance tires, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.